Good evening, dear students. I have this in my building, an hibiscus flower, so I thought I'll record a video for you guys because we have just completed the flower topic. This part, you see the stalk of the flower, that is pedicel. Just above the pedicel, if you see this green color part which take part in photosynthesis, along with that they protect the internal parts of the flower. The parts of the flower are called as floral holes. There are two holes, the ones essential, the one important which take part in sexual reproduction, they are called as essential holes, and the other ones, these are accessory holes. Over here, the first one which you see, this is the calyx, the single member, this green color part. The single member of calyx is called as sepal. This colorful pinkish color part which you see, these are called as corolla, and the single member of corolla is called as petals. If you observe deep inside this flower, let me zoom in for you guys. Yes, so this reddish color velvety part which you see, that is stigma, that is part of the female reproductive system, gynoecium, stigma, and below that this pinkish color tube. Inside that you will find a tube called as style, which will be connected here in this, where this calyx is protecting ovary. You see this grainy yellowish grain color parts. Let me go near to that. They are pollen grains, preferably anther, and inside that you will find your pollen grains. Anther is connected to the tube part with the help of a filament. If you observe it, let me just show you. So this reddish color is style, this green part is anther, which is connected with the help of filament, and inside the anther you will find your pollen grains. Now this flower is totally connected, so I am not allowed to pluck it because herein they don't allow it. So I'll just show you. If you see it, this is how the parts of the flower. I've already shown you guys the video of the dissection. This is how the part of the flower. This is a bisexual flower because it contains the male and female reproductive part both. So a plant which has male and female reproductive parts both, such a flower is called as complete flower. So this is a complete flower. So if in exam you get a question about complete and incomplete flower, you can understand from this concept. Also the calyx. The calyx is the outermost hole and the innermost hole is the gynoecium. ओके सबसे अंदर की तरफ आपका फीमेल होल होता है एंड सबसे बाहर की तरफ होता है कैलेक्स. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट. एंड हियर यू सी दिस लीफ. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व दिस लीफ हैज़ reticulate venation. So this plant is dicot, right? So this plant will have taproot system. The stalk of the leaf is called as petiole. See, this is how it is connected to the main stalk of the plant. So I hope, if you have any doubt, see, this is a new floral bud which is growing. I will request you guys to observe the plant nearby in your surroundings to understand this concept more. Yes. So that's it. Thank you.